In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background in Clip Studio Paint. Now, this is going to work the best if you have like a drawing on a white background, and let me show you how to do it. So first, you want to rasterize your layer. So you want to go to the right-hand side here, and you want to right-click it, and you want to click on Rasterize. Now, if it's grayed out like mine over here, it means you've already done that, so we don't have to do it again. So we can just go to Edit up top and click on Convert Brightness to Opacity. And just like that, just like magic, as you can see, it removed the background. The white background is now gone, and I can only see the transparent background over here with my line art over here. Okay, so that's one way to do it. But of course, if you have something in the back, maybe you have like a rasterized layer in the back which is colored. So for example, like a background, if I go ahead and showcase this as well. So if you have it like this, and if you've done that and it's not working, you converted brightness to opacity but it's not working, you have to make sure you actually hide this bottom layer to actually hide the background, which was white in my case, but in your case, it could be literally anything. So that's the first way to do it. However, there's also different ways. Of course, not as precise, but of course you can use them if you wanna. You could go and use the select tool, the auto select one, and you can go and click on refer to editing layer only, or whichever one you select. I'm gonna use this one, and then I'm gonna select over here outside of my line art, press the delete button on my keyboard, and then press Ctrl D to deselect, and as you can see, it basically removed the background. Now I can go in here and remove those portions as well, like this one, and then this one as well, and maybe even this part over here to actually make it precise and full, and that's only one way, of course, to do it as well. Now, you could do that, you can customize it, but the least convenient way, the most kind of long way to do this is as follows. You can go and use the lasso tool, and you could go very precise and kind of just navigate around your line art, and then basically just remove whatever's left over here. So you can select your line art like this. Let me actually briefly do it just to show you. So let's say this was a precise selection over here. Let's just pretend, there we go, and then you want to click on invert over here, press delete on your keyboard, and that way you can delete your background as well and remove it permanently. So those are kind of all the ways to remove backgrounds. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.